Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook 2025. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn off birthday notification on Facebook. First, just go to Facebook and then click in your profile icon. After that, click Setting and Privacy, and then click Settings. And then here in the left sidebar, just scroll down, and you see here Preferences, Reaction Preferences, and then Notifications. Click on Notifications. And after that, just scroll down, and then you see birthday. Just click on it, and then you see here these are notifications about your friends' birthdays. Allow notifications on Facebook. Just turn it off. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.